Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix subtitle delays on Crunchyroll. If you have been struggling with this issue, don't worry, we'll get it sorted out in no time. Stick around until the end for all the steps and let's dive right in. The first step is to update the Crunchyroll app. Now, this is the first thing you need to make sure, right? Make sure that the Crunchyroll app is updated, and here's how. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store on your device, search for Crunchyroll. If there is an update available, tap, tap Update. Keeping the app updated ensures you are using the latest version with all the latest bug fixes. Alright, now another step is to clear the cache and storage. Now, open your phone settings, search for app management or something similar like apps or application. Tap app list and scroll down to find Crunchyroll, or you can just type Crunchyroll. Now, click on the settings, or below you will see an option for clear data. Now, first tap the clear cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the delay. Now, if this solves your problem, then no need to progress further. If not, you might want to delete all the data. Now, if keep in mind that this will log you out of the app. So make sure you remember your login credentials. Now, once you tap clear data and restart the app, log back in and check if the subtitle delay is fixed. Now, the final step is like if none of the above steps work, the last resort is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Alright, so first uninstall Crunchyroll from your device, then restart your phone and reinstall the Crunchyroll app from the Play Store or App Store, log back in and test your videos again. This process gives you a completely fresh start with the app and often resolves stubborn issues. And that's all for this video. Hope this should fix any subtitle delay issues you are experiencing on Crunchyroll. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.